Okay, so I'm gonna use this black peel and stick paper here. So I got it in black, like this type of material. I'm just gonna put it in the on the wall up here above the toilet. So I might just do, oops, there you go. I might just do like up from here to up, just to see how it looks. I want to see how it comes out. So I'm gonna use alien tape as well, like just to put on the corner, like one right there on the other corner down here, just to make sure it sticks and it don't fall. So when I'm done with that, I'll show you. Okay, so now I'm gonna hang these up all over here above this pole. So I have this pole. I already had this in the house. So if you are gonna get a pole, I would say probably get a black one. But since I have this, I'm just gonna work with this. I'm gonna use this to hang up these curtains right up there. I wanna see how that looks. I'm just gonna leave this curtain too as well, so because it goes with the theme black and white. So I'll show you when I'm done. Okay, so don't mind the sink area. I just put like a little trash in there, whatever, but I don't know how I actually feel about it, to be honest. I'm really not liking it. I don't know, maybe because it's too short. I don't know. I really don't know how I feel about it. But I just added some rhinestone, like some rhinestone on this to tie it up, but I don't know. I really don't know how I feel about it, to be honest. What do you guys think? Like, should I keep it there? Should I take it off? Maybe I should lower it. Because this is how it looks from the floor. So, I don't know. I'm thinking maybe I should try lowering it. I don't know. I don't want it to be looking too dark in the bathroom. But, I don't know yet. I'm going to see. Maybe I'm going to try lowering it down and see what it's given. And then I'll come right back. Okay, so I decided to lower it down a little. It seems to look a little better. So, what do you think? You see how it's not too far from the ground? It's just a little bit far, but not too far, you know? So I think it's all right. Okay, that's that. Now we got this wall done. We're gonna work on this wall. This plain white wall here. Yeah, we need to fix that. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I just put this picture up here because it kind of goes with the theme, you know, girl vibes. And then I just have these mirrors here. I have two, and I'm just gonna hang them like right here against each other. So I'll be right back. Okay, so that's how it's looking. Two mirrors. When I'm done with everything, then I'm gonna clean the mirrors, but I'll just put up there for now. So this is how they look. And then right here in this space, I'm gonna add this shelf I got. It was a 3-pack in Family Dollar, so you have this size, you have the large one, and then you have the small one. So each wall is gonna have its own. So I'm gonna save this one for this wall, which I was gonna put it like somewhere, like maybe in the middle, right here or something like that. Just between the pictures, somewhere around there. And then the other one, I'm gonna put one here too for the black wall under the Marilyn Monroe. Just add a little touch here, and then just put something, you know, like something white or something there. So for now, I'm just gonna put one of these shelves right here. Okay, so that's how it came out. Don't worry about the patch there. I just have to paint that again, but yeah, that's how it looks. Now I just gotta find some stuff to put up there. The only thing I did find in the store was this plant, which I found this in Family Dollar for $3. So it's cute. It goes with the theme. So I just gotta find something else to put on the shelf here and over here. So now I'm just gonna put this shelf up over here, and then I'll show you when I'm done. So that's how it came out, the shelf. I just put the little plant there for now. I think it looks cute there. I just need to get something for this shelf here, for this wall here. But I like it so far. What you guys think? I was also thinking about getting them lights that go on top of here that hangs down on the picture, like give the picture light. I was thinking about doing that for that picture and these two pictures as well. So you don't really need much of this bright light. But yep, I still gotta order that. But in the meanwhile, we're just gonna put up this shelf here. Be right back. So this is the bathroom. I just added this that I had here before. I just added that up. And then I'll just put the mirrors like that. I put the plant here. They'll look cute there. And then just have the Marilyn Monroe. I put that heart. That heart supposed to light up. I just gotta get batteries for it. But yeah. Then just a simple toilet here. That. The mirror. I think I just put like some rhinestones on the mirror. Which that you can get from Amazon. I got it from Amazon. And the light, and just the curtain like this. So just added this on the curtain. Just to give it a little touch. And just have my 2 Marilyn Monroes up here. Just added that little shelf here. I have to get something to put on top of there, but for now, just left it like that. I might get a candle. Thinking about one of them candles that you put like batteries in and they light up. Think about probably putting one of those there. Or you can even put like the Bath and Body Works candle if you want. Then just a rug there. Towels, black towels. But yeah, this is how the bathroom came out. I'm gonna show you with a better angle. But yeah, that's how it looks a long way. This curtain is long. But I think it actually came out cute. I might do some more touches up to the bathroom. I'm not sure yet what I want to do. Like the sockets there. I just gotta paint it black because when I painted it white, they got on there. So, but other than that, it looks really cute. Need to fix that there too. I'm thinking about getting another black thing. Maybe the ones that goes right here too, just to cover that up the wall. But yeah, what you guys think? Do you think I should add more to it, or you think it's just fine like this? I like it. So far, I like it. I did buy some other stuff for the bathroom, but I feel like it would be too much. Like I did buy the hand rack that goes. I was thinking about maybe putting it somewhere here for like the hand towels too, but I don't know if that would be too much on this wall. I was thinking about maybe putting it under here. But once again, I don't want it to be too much, like too much stuff going on. So, because I have a towel rack here, which I might just put like black tape over it, just to make it black as well. But yeah, I don't know. But so far, so good. It is cute. Tell me what you guys think about it. Thank you.